combat schedule.
Speed of the ship increased. Keeping watch.
Hard, starboard.
Establishing visual contact.
Change of ammo needed.
I see a hit on the target. Keeping watch. Enemy target eliminated.
Establish visual contact.
Our ship is under enemy attack.
Half ahead. Torpedoes standing by.
Establishing visual contact.
Captain, the target has been captured. Armor integrity broken. Fire at the enemy. Stand by for action. All hands to battle station. Enemy elimination confirmed. Helm aport. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. All crew, immediately abandon ship. We are discovered. Full combat alert.
Speed of the ship increased.
Establish visual contact.
Establishing visual contact.
Establish visual contact. That's a hit! The target is within range. And we'll launch that target. All crew, full combat alert. Fire without command.
Prepare to fire. I see a hit on the target.
Both engines, half speed ahead. Torpedo 2 fired.
Keeping watch.
Requesting air support. Alpha 8-5, ready for combat mission.
Attention, enemy ship spotted.
Torpedo launch authorized. The target destroyed. Establish visual contact.
Perfect time to speed up. Keeping watch.
We are under fire. Combat Unit 5. Master damage.
Reconstruction work in progress.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Captain, the target has been captured.
Enemy target eliminated.
Half astern.
Establishing visual contact.
establish visual contact.